Let's make eggy bread today, with caraway seeds. You will need bread, eggs, milk, salt, caraway, and lard, or frying oil. Whisk 2 eggs, in a bowl, together with a dash of milk. You can use a whisk, or a fork. Add little bit of salt. Add a pinch of caraway seeds. Mix everything together, and soak 2 slices of white bread in the egg mixture, coating the bread from all sides. Heat up a pan, and add lard, or frying oil. Add the bread to the pan. Pour the remaining egg mixture over the bread. Once the edges start turning golden brown, flip the bread, and fry it from the other side. Serve the bread while it is still hot, on its own, or with a side salad.